Welcome to Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. This is a sharp 2016 Ford F250 crew cab, four-wheel drive, Lariat, top of the line, loaded with just about every option. See if we can get the FX4 off-road package. Backup camera, backup sensors, towing package. Got the step ladder and tailgate. Got sprayed in bed liner. It's got the B&W ball in the back. You can take it in and out, or you can get an adaptive plate for the fifth wheel hookup. This one has a flex fuel 6.2 liter V8 gas. Plenty of power. Very dependable. I've never heard any issues with these engines. It's got some nice Toyo open country tires. What's the size on it? 275 65/20. Polished aluminum wheels. Running boards. With the off-road package you get the skid plates, the Rancho shocks. This truck's from Missouri, so it's got no rust, no mud. Well, with only 4,500 miles, it's like brand new. It does have the tow hooks, fog lights, automatic headlights, keyless remote entry. It's even got remote engine start. You just lock it, push this button twice, cranks right up. It is a one-owner, clean Carfax, non-smoker. Got the keypad. Still smells new. I'm trying to find the ignition. Alright. Got the power heated folding mirrors. Oops. They fold. They also extend. You got memory seat, power windows, locks. You got power seats on both sides, lumbar support, heated and cool seats, nice leather seats. Got the rubber floor mats, automatic headlights, adjustable power pedals. That is correct, 4,641 miles. Got all your cruise control here, audio controls, got voice command, leather wrapped steering wheel, automatic transmission with manual shift, tow mode. Got all your trip computer, truck apps, off-road, shift on the fly, four-wheel drive, traction control. Got some outlets, got a 110 outlet. There's your touch screen. You've got, let me see here, AM, FM, Sirius satellite, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming, SD card, auxiliary input, you name it, just about every media. Let me see here, you've got Travel Link, which is real nice. It's like having the internet going down the road, shows you the forecast, weather, you can see the map. Also fuel price, movie listing, and so on. Got some storage here, USB. It's got the upgraded Sony sound system. It sounds great. It's got a subwoofer. And of course we got our navigation system. Got the backup camera. Dual climate control. Passenger and driver can have their own temperatures. Let me see here. Lots of buttons here. Climate. There we go. That's all your controls. It's got a factory trailer brake controller, cone holder, lots of storage, cup holder, or if you need more space. There we go. They snap in here. Plenty of storage. I do have the extra key, owner's manual, original window sticker. Got it all. It's even got a power sunroof. One touch button. Automatic dimming rearview mirror. It's also got the power sliding rear glass. I drove this truck back and it drives like a Cadillac. Very smooth, quiet, just total luxury. It's got the big doors, plenty of leg room. It's got a lockable storage compartment under the seat. Got the all-weather floor mats. There's another 110 outlet. Climate vents keep everyone comfortable. Got an armrest with cup holder. Rear defrost. Just plain old gasoline. A lot cheaper to operate. A lot cheaper to maintain. Cheaper to fill up. And cheaper to purchase too versus a diesel. It's a different application, but it's got plenty of power. I've sold quite a few of these. They're not as common. You don't see many of them, but they're out there. This had to be a special order truck. They've punched all the buttons. Every option is on the truck. Just like new. .2 liter V8 gas. This F250 comes with the remainder of the full factory warranty. You get the remainder of the 3-year 36 bumper to bumper. I believe it's $560 on the powertrain. Just see description for details. If you're looking for a sharp crew cab truck in light new condition at an affordable price, I believe you found it. To see if this F250 is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. We do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. I have a credit application on my website. You can fill that out and I'll get to work, see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, you can call or text anytime 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.